TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman giving you the TFNN headline news update. The Dow is down 90 points at 23,318. Came off the low that was at 23,242. This is a new low since it's about 2 weeks it's taken to get down to this level again. That makes the resistance at 23,340 is very strong, but better hold 23,290 today. Otherwise, it starts to go down again rather than closing towards the highs as it has done recently. The S&P is also down quite sharply right now. It is down at the, let me just get this. S&P at this point is down. Oops, I lost it. Sorry about that. Here we go. The S&P is down 9 at 25,069. Made a lower low as well. It has very strong resistance in the 2573 area. Mustn't take out 2563 today, otherwise it'll start to decline even deeper. And we're looking at the QQQ, the NDX 100, down 58. It's one of the better indices, but it is also down. It's under the 9-period moving average right now. And if you look at gold, gold was up quite sharply, and then it came down. It's trading right now at -5 at 12.77. And it's interesting because the dollar, in fact, has come back very nicely. It's now up 2 cents after being quite sharply lower. And crude oil is the one that's really we have to watch closely. It's at 55.40. If it gets into the 54s, probably going to go lower. But if it's able in the next 2 days to get to the 56s, that'll be good for crude oil. And we'll see what happens there. And a couple of things we're looking at right now. The VIX index, which most people are starting to look at much more closely, screamed today up into the high 14s. It's trading now at 1277 down. So watch the VIX, because if the VIX starts to climb into the 1320s, market will pull back sharply. If it starts to break down and goes into the 1250s, that's going to be a positive for the market. So as we're looking at all these different indices, one thing that you can see is that the XLF suddenly found a tremendous strength today. It's up 11 cents. It was lower, and that's going to say that's very interesting. Why? Because the TLT screamed to the upside. It's at up 83 cents at 126.03. Rates have been moving higher, and yet the financials had a bounce today. Going to be interesting to watch. Thanks for being here. Stay tuned for the great shows coming up, and this is the TFNN update. Have a great day.